Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Fasttoken. Ticker symbol is FTN. This token is being listed today on a central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So like I said, this token got listed today on a central exchange called Hotbit Global. Now, if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Hotbit account, I do have a Hotbit referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Hotbit referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search FTN, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Cool thing about Hotbit is you can invest a lot of tokens on Hotbit by putting them in DeFi farm pools, lockups, stake them. There's all sorts of different ways that you could earn really high APY on Hotbit on a lot of different tokens. So FTN is an ERC20 token that serves as a utility token for the whole soft construct ecosystem, enabling users to settle all kinds of business and personal arrangements between themselves of any soft constructs products and services. Later, FTN will become the native token for Fastex chain, and that is spelled Fastex. So they're going to have their own blockchain eventually, enabling staking and block validation mechanisms, as well as cross-chain operations like transferring tokens to Ethereum mainnet and the Fastex chain. So the Fastex chain is an EVM-compatible blockchain that introduces a completely new and unique consensus mechanism, proof of staked activity, POSA. We believe that the activity parameter will serve as a new beginning for the fair distribution of block validation rewards among network participants. The Fastex chain is going to serve as a multifunctional public solution for various services while being able to scale up and meet new standards of Web 3.0, world's fastest paced infrastructure, and beyond. So the Fastex is a cryptocurrency derivatives exchange platform that offers spot and OTC trading. We provide a wide list of crypto and fiat currencies and support for all required order trading types such as limit, stop limit, market, stop market, trailing stop limit, and trading API with futures and leverage tokens coming at a later stage. The Fastex wallet will be used as a unified solution for all other brands under the Fasttoken umbrella, including the NFT marketplace, Fastex payment solutions, and multiple decentralized applications. The details of the Fastex exchange, including technology, business model, and all related operations, will be disclosed at a later stage. They also have Fastex offers a complete unified payment services system covering both online and hardware payments, as well as introducing a convenient cryptocurrency to cash mechanism via cryptocurrency ATM machines, allowing users to directly convert their cryptocurrencies to fiat and get the cash from the machine immediately. The unified system works as in conjunction with Fastex cryptocurrency exchange, allowing users to share and utilize some wallet for all transactions and operations related to both fiat and cryptocurrency operations. They also have the FT NFT marketplace. So the FT NFT marketplace is an all-inclusive platform where users can find unique solutions provided by Fasttoken's ecosystem and third-party artists. All the NFTs launched on the Fasttoken's NFT marketplace are going to have proof of ownership and proof of authenticity for each purchased digital asset. The details of the NFT marketplace, including technology, business model, and all related operations, will be disclosed at a later stage. And we also have the Fastex Verse. So Fastex Verse is a dedicated metaverse platform for the Fastex ecosystem. In Fastex Verse, users can use their 3D avatars to interact with the digital world of Fastex and use all of the products and services without having to switch sites and or currencies. Fastex Verse is built in-house on top of Panda MR B2B metaverse platform developed by Soft Construct. And we have the Fastex Web3 Gaming Hub. So the Web3 Gaming Hub represents a platform that allows users to combine and centralize all their gaming interactions and assets in the world of Web3 while being able to play numerous Web3 games at the same time. The long-term centralization in this context refers to the quality of life features that allows users to bring together all of their crypto assets and either view or access them from from a single point. The platform will carry light integrations with Fastex Exchange and NFT marketplace, allowing for quick swap currencies and buying and selling NFTs without the complex functionality or the need to leave the platform. The Gaming Hub will serve both as an in-house and third-party Web3 games, essentially serving as the Steam for Web3. So their business model components include key partners, value proposition, customer relationships, and they have key resources, communication and distribution channels, cost structure, revenue streams. They have the exchange, the marketplace, the blockchain, the gaming hub, all sorts of cool features to this token here. So if we scroll down here in their paper, you can find their document section, by the way, at docs.fasttoken.com. Now, Fasttoken is all one word. That's the name of the token. It is not separated. FTN is the ticker symbol for this token. And yeah, this token should be up and running as of now on Hotbit Global if you want to get it off Hotbit. And like I said, there is a Hotbit referral code down there in the description box. There is a total supply of 1 billion FTN tokens, it says here. And yeah, so it's split up basically between, let's see here, advisors, partners, ecosystem, founders, token sale, marketing, and blockchain. Pretty straightforward. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And yeah, leave a comment too down below. What do you guys think about the Fast token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And if you want to find more information, head over to @FastToken_COM on Twitter, and you can learn more info there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.